A steady reduction or loss of weight, though almost every sufferer of excessive weight desires to have, is not a simple task. Your first step, in this regard, should be to take up apt and meaningful fast healthy weight loss diets. But this not all and is merely a part of the basic requirement. You must also have the adequate consistency, commitment, persistent determination, endeavor and the fervor to lose weight. Well, my suggestion is that you should proceed on condition that you are having these positive aspects within you. It may be an amazing info to you, but it's true that lots of people adopt fitting programs to lose weight. However, the majority of them fail disastrously owing to the inhuman dearth of these noble features. You must have these throughout the period of losing weight, therefore. There is simply no other way. Do you have the simplest idea of the fast healthy weight loss diets? If you don't have, go through the tried and true informations in the subsequent lines. Your first concentration should be on protein. Why should you concentrate on protein? The main reason is that protein is regarded as one of the best known weight loss foods known until now. Always remember that protein can help you through several ways. You can retain vitality, have significant developments in muscles and develop the defensive measures of the body against diseases thanks to the effective presence of protein. What's more, you can preserve a slim figure along with this. If you are still having any uncertainty, you can simply visit the internet and research single-handedly. But I am confident that you will get the same info there too. But you should always talk to a dietitian for betterment. Fiber is also an important weight loss food and is known to play a significant role in the reduction of weight. You have to incorporate fiber in your daily meals also. What are the basic reasons behind this role of fiber? It ought to be remembered always that fiber assists the food to pass through the intestinal tract without a single hindrance. On the other hand, it trims down the risk of cardiovascular disease and helps the patients of the disease of diabetes to hold on to the levels of blood sugar. There is also another benefit of fiber. Its regimented consumption can make you remain content all over the day. For that reason you must fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds every day. These raw foods are rich sources of fiber. You, apart from this, can utilize other weight loss foods that are applauded as effectual. What are they? The first of them happens to be salmon. It is to be noted that the protein and oils of salmon are well known for reducing weight. The others include chicken, garlic, groovy non-starch vegetable. While chicken is a great protein that supports weight loss, garlic is synonymous with potent organ functions. Furthermore, you can opt for eggs, cabbage, cod liver oil and bell peppers. Oil produces a good amount of vitamin A and D. It's advantageous.
If you want to know the amazing fat loss code and lose 84 pounds, you should go in the link in the description because that is gonna help you lose your belly fat a lot faster and easier. So go in the description right now.